guys, Shavonte here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another wig tutorial. The wig I have today is from West Kiss Hair, and I know I look crazy right now, but we're about to glow up, and I mean for real. So I'm going to show you guys the package that I got. I'll insert a clip of the wig straight out of the box just so you can see it, because I've already plucked and bleached the knot. So this is the box that the wig came in. So inside the box we have a nice little bonnet. I love getting bonnets because you never have too much of them. So we have a nice little purple bonnet right here. We have a nice wig band, I think. Yeah, a wig band. A nice wig band. We have 2 wig caps, I think. You only have 2 in there, so I'm assuming it's 2. Yeah, it says 2 pieces. Lashes. They're actually not that bad, to be fair. This is what the lashes look like. You can't even see it. Sorry guys, my autofocus is off right now because my mic's not working, so I'm kind of working with what I got right now. And then we have the nice little bag that you can use to put your wig back in, which I like, because my wigs are literally in a box over there. I just chuck them in afterwards and I put them in the bag. So a nice little silk baggie for your wigs to go back in when you're done. So like I said, I've already plucked and bleached the wig. It is nice and curled. This is, I don't remember how long this wig is. I think it's like 22 inches. So I'm very excited because it is my birthday tomorrow and I want to get this wig on ASAP. I literally braided my hair before getting these nails on. I've literally not had nails in so long, so I feel like a new bitch. So I'm very excited to put this wig on with you guys. Not coloured. I feel like I've had coloured hair for so long. This is just a regular brown wig. I mean, it's still got some colour to it, and just not black because it can't be black. I am not a boring bitch. Not saying that black is boring, but I don't know. I really like coloured hair. So yeah, we just got a nice brown curly wig. I'm very excited for it. So we're gonna go, oh wait, first of all, we gotta take this off. Sorry, I went to my mum's house. She was like, yeah, we're having a hot tub party. I thought she was doing a early birthday thing for my birthday. So I was like, okay, I guess I'll come. And we just ended up sitting in the hot tub and chilling. Not saying it wasn't good, but I literally could have stayed at home and put this wig on because now it's like 10:30 and I don't want to be doing this tomorrow. I don't want to be filming or doing anything strenuous like this because this is long. Filming these videos takes so long, so I'd rather do it tonight. But I could have done this earlier today, which was my plan in the first place. So as much as I enjoyed it, I'm kind of annoyed because now I have to do it. So yeah, I'm just going to put my Ghost Bond on. This is the glue that I usually use. I'm putting it basically on my forehead because I hate getting this shit in my hair. It is the most annoying thing ever. So I have these freaking, what do you call them? These, I don't even know what you call them. These piercings through these jangly piercing things through my nails, and they keep getting caught on everything. They're so cute, but oh my god, are they annoying as hell. Tomorrow I'm getting my first ever facial and a hot stone massage. Never had that either, so yeah. And I booked a tattoo for Friday. I'm building a sleeve, which is exciting, so yes. I'm so excited, I'm just very excited. I wish I could get a tattoo tomorrow. I wanted to do it tomorrow, but the earliest I could do was Friday because I finally decided what I wanted to do, so yeah. That is what's happening for me. So I'm going to go in with about 3 layers of this glue, and as you can see, it goes pretty fast. It dries very fast. You don't really have to go with the blow dryer because of how fast it dries. So I move around so much, which is annoying because when I'm editing, it just looks so stupid on film. It feels so natural to me to move around, but when I'm editing, I'm just out of camera so much. Yeah, I just wanted to state that. So I'm sorry if I move around so much. This is the worst bit. I'm going to go in with the final layer now, and then I'm just going to pull it forward. Oh my god. I'm gonna pull it forward. Like when you first get a wig, it's so hard to stretch it to where you want it. Especially when my baby hairs on this little bit here is like further forward and I'm trying to... Alright guys, I'm just gonna pin these side bits back and get it out of my way because it is concentration time. I need to cut this lace off. I've not had like normal colour hair in such a while now. It is mad. Oops, even get the bit that I wanted to get back. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna cut it into like 4 sections just to make it easier. So there, well, yeah, 4 sections. There. Oops. The other side off camera, and we'll be right back to I don't know what I was going to say there. Be right back to slay these edges because obviously we're not going to go out looking back with our wig looking like this. Just went around, oh wow, let's move that. I just went around my whole head with my got to be and kind of like pushed it down with my, what do you call this, a rat tail comb. And I'm going to do the same now with my, I said got to be. I went around my ghost one. I'm going to do the same now with my got to be. Just pushing the edges into my skin. Just make sure it's all laid flat. And it's melted. As you can see, as I'm going round, it's literally just melting into my skin. I don't know if you guys can see the difference on this side to that side. It's coming together. I feel like it's just here that just needs to do something with itself because it's just almost dribbled. I don't know what the hell happened there. I'm gonna do, I don't know if I should even do baby hairs tonight. I don't know, I want to look cute. I want this to lay flat as well, so yeah, I'm gonna do these baby hairs. I don't know, I want those cute baby hairs that everyone does. Yeah. I'm sorry, what am I doing? Is it late? Or is it late? Because what the heck is that on my forehead? Please, I beg. Like, I look like, what the heck am I doing? The fact that I'm not even trying either, I'm just literally just pushing it. Oh my god. Let's do something with this, girl. Like, I can't even take myself seriously right now. Okay, let me just, I will do that in a second. I will figure out what I'm doing with that one. But look at that. There is no lace. Let me just appreciate my work because what the hell? I'm very excited. I don't know if I even want baby hairs right now. I feel like it's too... Can I just do this tomorrow? I don't feel like I have the mental capacity to be doing baby hairs right now. I don't think... I might have to do this tomorrow, guys, not gonna lie, because I don't know what the heck I was doing just now. No, but honestly, can we just appreciate that this lace is actually melted? And I'm very excited because this lace had better be fucking melted. I don't want anything but lated melts for my birthday. Lated melts for my birthday. Honestly, I'm very here for it. Very here for it. This is what it's looking like tonight. I look a bit bald, not gonna lie, actually. And I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'm just not used to having my hair back. That's how I want it tomorrow. I want it like back and just long. But yeah, I am not leaving this video on a high note because I kind of look a little bit a mess, but it's okay. You guys know the drill. Like, you can see that the lace is fully melted. I don't know if I can give you guys a close up because like I'd have to focus my camera and it's kind of hard to do that. But the lace is melted. I love it. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow with styling or whatever, so I can figure out what I'm doing. I don't know what style I'm doing. I was gonna, like I said, I was gonna have it all back with it just curly, but I don't know how my forehead's looking right now. If I have my makeup on, it might look a bit better, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I will see you guys tomorrow with the styling, and I feel like I have glass in my finger. Sorry. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the styling. Check you guys in the morning. Yeah, see you soon. I zoomed you out, sorry, so don't mind my cushion behind me. I don't sit up straight, so yeah, that had to be done. I have done baby hairs and they actually came out cute. I don't know why it looks funny on camera, but yeah, they came out cute. Let me just, maybe it's this bit, I don't know. That looked a bit heavy, yeah. Then I wanted it to look. I think this is literally the best wig and best baby hairs I've done. The baby hairs aren't really like perfect, but I mean, it doesn't have to be. Like, when is your hair ever perfect? I feel like I should have done these sides first rather than the middle, but it's okay. It's whatever. Yeah, and even the sidebands. That's the best sidebands I've done, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna wet my hair again. I'm saying again because I've done my hair already today. Oh shoot. I didn't show the process on camera because my baby hairs, by the way, I'm talking about. Because I didn't want the pressure, basically. I didn't want to do it wrong and fuck it up. Because I really want this to be perfect. Plus, like, I'm on a time crunch. I ended up getting 3 tattoos today. I've got some here, one there. Sorry, trigger warning. I have scars on my wrist, but I have one. I have a palm tree there. I have a seahorse there, and I have like a paper mache bird on the back of my arm, and I'm really excited. So yeah. Oh, today is going well so far. I'm gonna put a little bit of this curling cream actually. I have some Garnier Ultimate Blends Hair Food. Okay, I'm not going to bother doing that, but it's just the banana and shea one. So I've just covered it from the ends up because curly hair can get quite knotty. So you just got to be careful with it. It's actually okay so far. I've not had much knots in it. So like, it's quite easy to comb out. But again, got to treat it like your hair. You don't want to start dragging out hair. Shit and get off the pot. Got some niggas out in Brooklyn that'll walk your top. I hear the mumbling, I hear the cackling. I got them scared, shook, panic. Period. Does anybody else get so into their TikToks? Like, people say they don't even say the words out loud. Like me, I'm singing. Like, I'm singing, I'm rapping. The whole words are out of my mouth, babes. There's no way I'm whispering at the camera. Are you dumb? Absolutely fucking not. Like, I'm literally shouting the words. Like, my sister was down my house, she's like, why are you screaming? And I'm like, bro, you gotta get into it. Like, how can you be there whispering at the camera? I don't get it. Like, I choose songs that I like for a reason. I have to learn the words, I have to be singing it. I can't be there whispering at the camera. That's not how it works, babes. Alright guys, I'm not sure what I'm doing with my hair yet. I might have it back. I'm just going to do my makeup and see what happens. So the hair's been on basically for 2 days now, and I am loving this hair. Like, it's so pretty. It's a nice length. I'm going to stand up and show you guys the length. It is a nice length. Yeah, I have no faults on this hair. I usually like coloured hair, but I don't know, there's something about a curly wig that just screams greatness. It's just so nice, it looks so natural, and yeah, I don't know, I have no faults about this hair. Like, the lace melts so nicely, like it literally looks like scalp. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed with this hair. I have nothing bad to say about it. It feels good, it's soft, it barely sheds considering it's curly hair as well. There's not a lot of tangling in the back. But as you can see, I've had this on for a few hours now, and it's like, well, I say I've had it on for a few hours, I've had it on for 2 days. But I mean, like, I've styled it, and even then, like today, I like literally put a tiny bit of mousse in it just to spruce up the curls, and it looks good. West Kiss hair, you have done it. You have done it for me. I'm so happy. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below to my channel if you want to see future videos from me. And let me know what colour you want to see for my next wig, or even like what style you want me to do. And also press the bell notifications if you want to get notified when I upload. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!